Hey guys, so today's video I am going to be trying to mix grease again. I think the last time I did a video about grease mixture was like a long time ago. And yes, you guys, I still use grease on my hair. I am going to mix this Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment, and I'm going to add my moringa oil to this Indian hemp, and I'm going to put a few drops of the rosemary oil, essential oil. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to transfer all my grease to this and I'm going to be putting it back in this container because I don't have where to put it. Okay, so this is the empty Indian hemp. I've just removed everything. This is what I've done. So I've put it all in here. So I'm gonna leave it on like this so that it melts, and I'm gonna be stirring it. So you can see that it is melted. Okay guys, so I have put it off the fire, so I'm going to mix it together. So I was able to put my moringa oil. This is the mixture. It's so good, you guys. It's so good. Oh my god. I'm gonna put my essential oil. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I usually eyeball my stuff, so it doesn't matter how much I put in there, but yeah, just gonna put that in there and mix it together. This was so much better. Just melt everything and then put all the oils that you have and mix it together, and you have your sealant, you know. So this is our Indian hemp moringa mix, and I'm gonna transfer it in the hair so it's not as hot as I thought. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna keep it in the fridge. I'm gonna keep it in the fridge for like 30 minutes, and then I will come show you how it looks like. After 30 minutes in the fridge, this is how it is. It has solidified again to the way it was. It literally doesn't look any different from the Indian hemp that I was using before, but yeah, there's a difference, and the difference is I mixed with moringa. But yeah, this is the consistency, very good. I'm excited to be using this on my hair. Like, I'm really excited. So thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.